Hey guys, how's everyone? So I just wanted to share a little clip from my dash cam earlier. You know, I put this dash cam in. I've had the same one for years now. I like it. It's the DDPai Mini. A cheap dash cam, takes excellent quality videos. I like it. So if you're looking for a good one, I'd pick this one up. Like I said, I think it runs $50. I'll show you here if you don't remember. But I just want to share why it's such a good idea to have one. No matter what your budget is, I would definitely pick one up. It'll come in handy. It'll save you a lot of problems if something were to happen. Like, I do like them. I wouldn't drive a car without one. So I want to share with you. This was on my drive earlier. And if you check this bus out right here, it was getting on the freeway, and at the last second, it pulls over into my lane. Now, I was cruising about 40 miles an hour, and I had a feeling, like, I always pay attention if there's big trucks or buses, all that kind of stuff. And sure enough, pulled over right in front. Had to slam the brakes on pretty good. It's just one example of why it's important to have one. Like I said, instead of having to fight with somebody about who is at fault, your dash cam will have all the information. So, like I said, if you don't have one, I would highly recommend getting one. Like this one, under $50, you don't have to break the bank to have a nice one. This takes great videos, even at night it does. And like I said, I wouldn't drive a car without one. Just the way things are, it's a lot of hassle if you get in an accident to try to get the other person's insurance to pay for it, who's at fault, all that kind of stuff. So again, I would just want to share that with you guys, and let me know which one you guys are running, and what your thoughts are, and if it's come in handy. It's one of those things that you buy it, and if it doesn't really capture much, that's a good thing, of course, and you don't want to be involved in an accident. But if you ever are and you have it, it's a lifesaver. It is. It'll definitely help you out, and whatever it is, and then people hardwire these things and they can monitor your car 24/7. I haven't done that yet, but I would like to, just so if someone tampers with it, at least it'll record that. So it's a good idea. You can easily tap into some power in your car, so it'll always have a constant feed. So I just want to share that with you guys. Again, definitely pick up one if you don't have one. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.